Hi there! This is week 18 na pala. 18 ng saxophone journey ko and this is the weekly update of my midlife crisis. Try to learn saxophone. So, last week hindi natin namali tayo ng counting. It was supposed to be week 17 yata or maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure now. Week 16 yung nalagay natin. So, today probably week 18 na. So, yun ang update. So, in terms of saxophone class, I'm happy pretty much kasi I haven't been practicing yung music sheet, yung booklet. I've been working on music, fingering, high notes, and nung sa class, I thought doon ako mag-focus on tonguing and counting with the instructor. So, kasabay ko yung kid and I enjoyed it pretty much. At the same time, sabay kaming natututo. So, update for this week, breakthrough. Nag-try na ako ng Through the Fire, and remember, I started this journey. Ang goal ko is to be able to play Through the Fire ni Chaka Khan, and it was supposed to be hard. I thought, kasi may una ko nakitang musical piece, merong what do you call that? Hanggang A sharp ata siya. So, I thought mahirap, napakahirap. Pero sinubukan ko na-try ko na. Pero this time, today, nakita ko if meron siyang, ang original key niya is B flat. I mean, on the E flat na instrument. So, ang original key niya is transposed to B flat. So, we're going to try that today. Let's see if it is working. Saan ko lang muna yung volume. Nice! Umpisa pa lang, ganda. So, ang gagawin natin, ibabagalan ko siya ng onte. Nabibilisan ako. Siyempre, hindi pa ako masyadong mabilis sa fingering. And so, babagalan natin ng onte siya para makaka-catch up tayo. Okay, so hindi natin masundan ng music sa ganong speed, so I will try kasi B flat yung key dun sa YouTube. Hindi ko pa masyadong bilis yung B flat. I mean, not B flat key, naka-flat yung B. So hindi ko sure kung anong key to, pero so yun, ang B ay flat. So yung ganitong type ng key, hindi ko pa masyadong ma-practice na mabilis. Although isa lang naman yung i-change mo, pero hindi ko pa siya, medyo nalilito ako. So, we're going to try to play it without music.